They loved it. Absolutely loved it. They raved about it. A lot of the students implemented it right away because they already had 5,000 followers.
No way.
Yes, because we do social media training and Instagram and how to set that up and help them guideline with that, but nothing like making money online. Once I got off your training though, how you broke it down and how easy it was to understand and to process, I was hyped at the end. I'm like, I want to get on TikTok and make money. Oh my gosh, we do trainings and different teachings with the students all the time. We have never brought something like this in that incorporated social media in a way that was really innovative for the students, that just brought excitement and a new perspective on social media and selling in this industry and what it can provide, not only behind a chair in a spa or salon, but also online and having a presence, and the sky's the limit.